to go.
Here's the squishy ball, and it's wet. Here's a jellyfish, and it's a blue one and pink.
This one.
There's a volleyball, I think, and it's very squishy. We have 2 puffer fishes. This one's very squishy. This one's not that squishy. We have my favorite out of them all. It's well, I think it's a hedgehog one. And yeah, here's a stretchy banana, and it can go back to its shape.
Look at this one. Did you know so?
And a stretchy fidget, and it hurts. And there is a squishy ball. There is a octopus.
You mean jellyfish?
Okay, there's a jellyfish, and it's very stretchy. There's a stretchy snake too, and it stretches a lot. There's a crocodile or an alligator.
Sure, alligator.
There's the pig, the pug.
It's really stinky and spunky.
And there is a frog. There is a cucumber, sea cucumber, that's also a bit stretchy. A squishy shark with all these in it. And that's all.
Yeah.